So you are turning 26. Congratulations. You've got health insurance options to deal with now. Let's talk about what they are. So first off, hey, you made it around the sun yet another time. Great work on that. So what health insurance options do you have? I understand this is going to be a ball of anxiety because well, you've never had to deal with this before. You've typically been on your parents' plan for your entire life. Maybe you've had a work plan, maybe you haven't. But there are a few options I want to discuss with you today, and let's talk about what they are. So, first option, Medicaid. Now, Medicaid is going to be if you're on the extreme lower end of that income spectrum. So, what are your options with Medicaid? That's going to depend on your state. What are the income limits? Those are going to depend on your states. Sometimes the states you will even look at, how much money do you have in the bank? Do you have a home? What are your assets like? So that may be the right move depending on your situation. Next step up, Obamacare, ACA, the exchange, the marketplace. There's 100 different terms for exactly the same thing. This is basically your healthcare.gov plans. I always advise people to talk to an agent because, well, we're experts in the field. We typically, anyways, know what we're talking about. So we want to help you. These are great when your income is too large to qualify for Medicaid. And also, you're not making a whole world of money yet. So, you know what? You still qualify for tax credits through the Obamacare ACA system. So, what's going to happen with this is depending on your income and your household size, they're going to give you a tax credit to apply towards your monthly payment. Now, these are fantastic. These are kind of mainstream. These are what everyone's mostly familiar with. But what happens if at 26 you're making a decent living already? You've got a great career moving. Well, this is where we're going to veer off of the path of Obamacare, and we're going to take a look at private coverage. So these are going to be great plans if you're making too much money to qualify for tax credits, but also these are health qualified. So if you've got a lot of pre-existing conditions and a lot of medications, you may not qualify for these plans. So don't buy a cookie cutter plan that may be right for someone else but not for you. If you want to talk to an expert on health insurance, hop on the website. There's a link in the bio and in the description. Talk to myself or another member of the Happy Health Insurance Guy team. We'll make sure you have the best coverage for your situation. Have a happy day.